Alright, burritos, welcome to the first Vlogmas. This is episode 1 December the 1st. Now, I am deciding to go and link up with IHeartmanii. Now, him is the prankster. Yeah, man, the youth were shelled on Instagram with all them crazy stunts, them and them little gimmick stuff here. And today, you know, must decide to make out the road because he is going to be doing a prank, a little napping of the kid prank in After 3. So, more for go fast and see what that whole thing is like. So, yeah, Vlogmas! Oh, oh, oh. I'm at the kidnappy. Oh Jesus! I say call it kidnappy. The person who get kidnapped. Yeah.
Manii, they have to scream and ball out. Look like they are fighting, but not too. Alright,
What's him not the lightest person?
oh yes!
We drive past, the man them jump out, we grab him, lock the door.
Open the trunk, when you have the thing you can, stand red flag. Don't know if you can Duttyberry himself, I don't know if you do that, it isn't me.
Instead of using the trunk, we drive past, pull up a team foot, we jump out, jump in, lock the door, we cut. Then we bust the trunk and have to lock back and teeth.
No, I'm telling you for the trunk. It just have a better.
Trunk can't open from, and the trunk can't open from inside.
Oh,
we're not for lock it. We're not for lock it. What we can do is if I have a prep from before, if I have a lock it and then reach there, then open it, and then just have it away and. So we'll go with 3 person.
Also, yeah.
We'll go with 3 person. Me, and next guy, and yeah, and then 1 open this and 2 grab the youth. You know what I mean? Boom. Just imagine like
me said I think you at least try 2 takes right.
2 takes?
No, 1 of that and try 1 of that and see.
Alright, no problem. We do that.
Because I like the quick this kind of I like the look for this with the whole trunk. But then the quick and fast like they're like wait, what the freak does something a while ago.
This run.
Jesus Christ. So apparently Manii is going to buy patty for everybody and him chose Josie beef.
Yes, sir, be a good spot for pranking.
What Jesus Christ? Wait, watch out.
It would have gone epic, it would have gone viral when the police did run it down.
Alright, we can't cross now.
Finally.
You tie your shoes lace? Oh wow. After me there try to show for you want to know me look like the one delinquent. Oh, so yeah man. Hey, look at sister socks. I go St. Hughes. So now I'm inside of my living room. This is my living room. You know? Just put up some decoration. Yeah, over here someone.
Alright, so very big with halfway tree so we can buy.
And over there is my receptionist.
$1,500.
What you say?
I'm about watching them 16.
Oh wait, what
How much for you buying?
Money.
10.
10? Alright.
1,600.
1,600? Alright. Alright,
Stop it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remove 1. And 9. Go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Think about who.
9.
Think about who least contribute. And then they probably can put out the person there so we have more. Remember I know the car, they provide the car.
You provide the car. You show 5 minutes.
Yeah, so him yeah.
Oh God! Oh, you fling! We both. You is more.
I must get my patty now. Hear that?
Alright, so we go so boom.
Yeah.
We're gonna buy 9.
Watch that. Man's mathematician, you know man. Watch it.
Patty, is it my dog? Brain. Feel. Asa?
Yeah,
So
we're not getting no drinks.
Yeah, man, we can go out there and buy some water.
Yeah, let's buy.
No, we can go to the supermarket and buy the and cups. We save money.
And save the environment.
And yeah, there we go. Here we go.
9.
9.
440.
The phone's out. I'm alone on the phone. Jesus, I'm alone on the phone.
Wait, just I said I'm on camera. I'm never say a while ago. Oh, shoot. Thank you.
Oh, we have man, most cash here. So far we know.
Somebody lend him my iPhone.
Jesus. Go on and talk.
You know, saying I'm gonna come talk about somebody need a phone.
Guys, we're gonna set up a we call it the
GoFundMe.
Yes, for Barry. He needs to buy my phone. He's using a potato right now. Let me see at the back. Oh my God.
Be a crap.
I just drop, okay? One time it drop. Anyway, we just done finish the car prank challenge.
No, wrong.
The kidnap. No, YouTube monetize because them something. The car, somebody trunk.
Taking away.
Yeah.
Putting somebody against their will.
In the trunk.
Yeah.
And leave.
Oh mother, you look like one of the makeup brush there.
Makeup brush.
Yeah. The makeup brush girl.
Look like a microphone.
But yeah, how was the prank?
Alright, so basically we didn't get to really finish it, so we're gonna have to do some more next week.
You see me? The whole team is here.
This guy, he's always dancing. He's always so you don't know the chef's dog.
People just go subscribe and go follow Instagram.
IHeartmanii, follow me there. I wanna be famous like Barry.
Big up comedy. Subscribe.
Alright, alright, come on. You're supposed to be here a little bit earlier, but nobody could find out where you live.
I think because my road name's something else on Google Maps than in real life, so that's probably why
Yeah.
they're having such a hard time finding it.
Alright, well, so you close out and tell people them can follow you.
Oh, me? Where's not my Vlogmas? Don't follow me. Come on for this.
Alright, so this is the first, this is December the 1st, the first day of Vlogmas. I'm going to be doing a video every day in a December, a vlog each day in a December. So make sure you set a like, share, subscribe if you don't want to see more Vlogmas videos.
You're editing and posting this today?
Yeah man, everybody's a box cover.
Box cover!
Alright.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank and then we got upset. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
See her here, man.
Oh, well, go on, Gio.